Welcome to Beverly Hills and welcome to the Beverly Hilton. We'll be celebrating 65 years of being here in Beverly Hills. We're excited to share a lot of change that's taken place here at the Hilton. We just completed our renovation here of all of our guest rooms. If you're looking for things to do while you're at home, today we're going to tell you some tips and tricks so you can bring that Beverly Hills experience into your own homes. Here at the Beverly Hilton, we used custom furnishing, textiles from all over, whether it's cotton, linen, silk. We wanted to incorporate a little of those in all of the design throughout the hotel. So when you come here, you'll see that. You'll see marbles, you'll see granites, you'll see very warm, bright, light colors here at the hotel. When you're looking at design in your own homes, we recommend that you bring in pops of colors. Do not be afraid to experience with bold patterns, whether that be an area rug or on throw pillows. You can simply open the space by bringing in more light. Do not be afraid to get rid of the drapes, to open up the blinds. You'll find that light makes people very happy. At the Beverly Hilton, we believe that less is more. So you'll see that in our design, we want to really focus on the little things that really enhance an area. You do these little things and they make a huge difference. So when you look around your home and you're looking for that one thing to change the look and feel of your space, we always say go to a plant or go to one flower and put that in the right place in your room, and it will make all the difference from a design standpoint. Symmetry is important. When you're redoing your space and you're looking at how do I hang this picture, things don't have to be on point with all things, but when they are, it can really change the way a space looks and feels. So hanging pictures at the same level or staggering them can really elevate the look and feel of a space. When you're talking about vertical lines and things of that nature, they can really make a room feel bigger than it might actually be. In the world of design, never be afraid to experiment. So get out there, grab the sheet or the throw rug or the pillows that you thought didn't go with anything, throw them in a room, put them all together, explore, experiment. We say that with any design. Be your own artist. Have fun with it. Thank you very much for taking time with us today. We hope you were able to take a little of our design inspiration and bring it into your own homes. We cannot wait to welcome you back to Beverly Hills.